We need people to do their best, to do more, not look for loopholes and not do their least. That's the way we are going to maximize the possibility that we make the best use, that we reduce our numbers as much as we can, and come out the other end of this lockdown in the best possible position. We have had rising numbers of COVID-19 infections and predicted deaths. As of Thursday, the 5th of November, our infection rate in Bristol was 382.4 cases per 100,000 people. That puts us above the England average of 231 cases per 100,000. Just in our own region, North Somerset's on 179, South Gloucestershire is 278, and Baines is on 236. It gives us a regional R number for the Southwest, somewhere within the range of 1.2 and 1.5. And we're going to get more information on COVID this evening. One of the triggers for this lockdown has been the pressure on the National Health Service. Our hospital admissions for COVID-19 are increasing, putting our services under increasing pressure, as you would expect. There are a number of additional measures being put in place. There's a wraparound support service for care homes. There's a telephone service to help reduce hospital admissions as well. We are supporting the faster, safer discharge from our hospitals for people to go back into community care. And of course, we have the NHS Nightingale hospitals in Bristol with 301 ventilated beds for critically ill COVID patients. And those will open if the ICU capacity within the city is overwhelmed. We do understand that some of the rules and guidelines are confusing. So it's important that you understand the principles of transmission. If you know these, you'll be able to manage your behavior to keep you safe and keep people safe around you. So first off, it is person to person. It spreads through aerosols and droplets. So bear that in mind. The more you keep your physical distance from people, the safer you and they will be. In terms of the guidelines, the basics at this time: stay at home, except for a very limited number of reasons. Continue to wash your hands, cover your face where required, and keep your distance from people. Remember that: hands, face, and space. Stick to your household or your support bubble indoors. And for outdoor exercise or visits, stick to your household support bubble or one person from another household. If you develop symptoms, get tested. If you're told to isolate, or if you know you should because you've come into contact with an infected person, then you must. And this includes children who are sent home from school. They must isolate at home. You know, we want to be as supportive as we can, as we have since the beginning of this crisis. So please, if you are facing difficulties, if you need food, medical supplies, any support, you can call the We Are Bristol helpline on 0800 694 0184. 0800 694 0184. We know mental health is going to be an issue through lockdown as well, with people isolated. We recognise it's shorter days, longer, colder, dark nights. There is mental health support available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 0800 0126 549. 0800 0126 549. And someone will be able to help you if you are down, depressed, feeling isolated, and have any needs. The lockdown means there are some changes to council services. So all Bristol libraries closed yesterday, from Thursday that is, and they will be closed until further notice. There's no call and collect services. Loans are extended to mid-December, and there'll be no charges or fines for that. All sports facilities are closed. Park toilets, play areas, multi-use games areas, outdoor gyms, wheels parks remain open. Takeaways from parks are the only service available from the cafes and concessions. And our recycling centres remain open, but they're still subject to the COVID secure measures. From today, a group of COVID marshals are going to be working across the city, particularly in the busy areas. There'll be a minimum of 16 marshals in Bristol in the coming weeks, and they're going to be there to help explain government guidance and manage shop and supermarket queues so everyone can safely distance. They're going to be reminding people to wear a face covering where required, and they'll be handing out free face coverings and hand sanitizer to those who need it. Can I just say, when you do get a free face covering, make sure you dispose of it in a responsible way. We see too many of them left on the pavements and in the roads littering. We don't need that. So when you get one, please dispose of it responsibly. The marshals will also be there to help open businesses to be safe and COVID secure as well. And they'll also be cleaning frequently touched services. The marshals do not have enforcement powers and they cannot issue fines, but they will work closely with the police and report breaches. Can we just ask you as well to please be kind, be gracious to the marshals and all of our key workers at this time. They're doing their best in a very difficult situation, and they are there to help keep us safe and keep you safe and keep other people safe around you. So if they offer you some guidance, if they make a request of you, it's not about them invading your space. It's about our common good and our common safety. And this is the time when we do just need to take that extra breath. If we're feeling affronted, take an extra breath, have a think about what is this person trying to do, and just help them out, be nice. Now, it's Remembrance Sunday this Sunday, the 8th of November. Unfortunately, there will be no traditional parade or service at the Cenotaph due to restrictions. That's a decision made with the armed services themselves. So please do not come to the city centre. Can we ask you to instead pay your respects safely and remember those who have sacrificed their lives for us from your home? You can observe the national 2-minute silence from your garden or outside your house. You can include readings, music, or other elements to make the ceremony or event relevant to your household. You can also follow a service on the council's social media and website, and you can display a poppy poster in your window. We'll be sharing an active remembrance service available just before 11 a.m. on Sunday. And for that, you can see our City Council social media pages and our website for more information. So a lot in this week's blog. Please stay safe, take care of each other. I'm not going to sugarcoat, there are some big challenges for us in the weeks and months ahead. And the best thing we can do for our city is to work together.